In the school, 40% of the members in volleyball, 40% of the members are in volleyball, and 60% of the members in golf are boys. Wow, okay, so this is a little bit, let's reread. In the school, 40% of the members in volleyball and 60% of the members in golf are boys. Okay, then they didn't tell us that number of members in the volleyball and number of members in the golf are the same, so we have to assume that they are different. Now they say the number of members in golf is 1/4 of the members in volleyball. Okay, so now we know golf is only 1/4 of volleyball. Okay, we have to stop here first. Please don't move on. Just draw the model for what you know over here. So since they said that the number of members in golf is 1/4 of the members in volleyball, right? Means that the volleyball has 4 units, and then the golf is only 1 unit. We have to draw this one first. If not, you'll be super confused. We can just draw a rough model. If you want to improve upon the model, you can draw another one later. Okay, so let's just go ahead and draw volleyball 4 units. So I'm just gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And then golf is, remember your starting line. And please remember to label. Why are there so many students who draw models without labeling? If not, you draw for what? How do you know what they're drawing? Okay, so next one will be golf, will be 1 unit. So this one done, right? Good. Let's go to the previous one. They said 40% of the members in the volleyball are boys. This one is 100%. If 40%, right? Okay, let's see. This, if it's 100%, is about 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. And because the same number of members in golf is 1/4, right? So 1/4 is 25%. Simple, right? Since they said that 40% of the members in volleyball, they are boys, so maybe about here. So this one will be 40% boys, which means that this one is what? Girls lah. 60% girls. Cool. Alright. Then they say that there are 55 more boys in volleyball here. This 60% is 55 more than this one. Okay. So now, do you see with this model, right? Since 60% is more than this 25% by 55, your working will be very simple. Because you just did 60% minus this 25%, that will give us 35%. And this 35% over here, with this minus this, is 55. Because they said there are 55 more boys. Oh, wrong, so sorry. Okay, this is a mistake. Oh, thank God I found a mistake. Next, okay, they said that there are 55 more boys in volleyball here than in golf, which means that the difference between this and this will be 55. Sorry. Okay, it's cool if you make a mistake in the examination. Do not worry. Just move on calmly. Okay, the 40% minus 25%, 40% minus 25%, that will be 15%. And this 15% represents 55 members. Okay, so 15% arrow 55. So the question states, how many members are there in volleyball altogether? Volleyball is 100%, right? Because 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 100. If 15% is 55, how to find 100%? Okay, like what I told you many times, 55 divided by 15 multiplied by 100. 55 divided by 15 multiplied by 100. And what will that give us? Again, let's use the calculator. 55 divided by 15 multiplied by 100. That is a weird answer. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I made a mistake somewhere. So what I got right was actually 366.67 members. The moment I get this, I know my answer is wrong. Because they're asking for how many members there are in the volleyball. How can there be a decimal? Can there be a 0.67 member? Wrong.